What do coffee grounds and plastic waste have in common? They are both carbon-based, and therefore they have some energy content, but extracting it in an economical and eco-friendly way is a huge challenge. Researchers at Lancaster University in England say they have found a way to turn coffee grounds, often used as gardening compost, into biodiesel.
Our novel process is in situ transesterification, which actually couples two processes, extraction and reaction, into one single step. So in this case, generally in chemical engineering, when we couple two operations in one single step, we usually get a lower processing cost as well as investment costs.
Even though electric-powered cars are gaining in popularity, experts say diesel engines in trucks, locomotives and ships will be used for foreseeable future, so producing coffee-based diesel would make sense. Even better, Polish scientists say they have found a simpler way to turn mountains of plastic waste into biodiesel.
Everybody knows that polyethylene breaks up into shorter chains when exposed to high temperatures. This is nothing new. The whole difficulty was to heat the plastic, the polyethylene, in such a way as not to burn it in the reactor.
Extracted fuel that complies with European emission standards was tested at the Automotive Industry Institute in Warsaw, and the first production plant is scheduled to open as early as next year. Another waste product, this one rich in proteins, could be turned into animal food. Biotechnologists in Sweden say they have isolated a bacteria that easily turns poultry feathers into edible amino acids.
In this process, we have not used any chemicals except the substrate, which is the raw feather from chicken industry, and then the microorganism. And the end product is only hydrolyzed feather into a protein, soluble protein, and nothing else. There are no waste in this process, and no chemicals at all have been used.
Scientists say animal feed made from feathers may be ready for production by the end of next year. George Putic, VOA News, Washington.